COVID-19. Everybody is a warrior. If you stay at your home, you are safe and you are serving the society as well as our great nation. So today again we are going to talk about happy family life. मैं कोई ज्ञानी नहीं हूँ. I'll speak Hindi also sometimes, and I think if everybody is a Gujarati, then sometimes I'll change over to Gujarati also, whenever my mood permits. मैं कोई पंडित नहीं हूँ, and in any case, whoever is there on this particular net, everybody has got a family. I've got the same knowledge, but I am nearing 70 years of my age, and whatever I have learned, जो मुझे अनुभव मिले हैं मेरी जिंदगी के अंदर, that is what I want to share with you. Unluckily, we are on the webinar, so we'll not have that interactive sessions, but somehow I'll share my experiences with you, and therefore the title I have given, some thoughts. I'm not a master. What I'm saying is what I feel about family life and how to convert our family into a happy family. જિંદગી છે અઘરી પણ છેવટે તે ટેવાઈ જવાય છે. શનિવાર અને સોમવારની વચ્ચે થોડું જીવાઈ જાય છે. Actually, this was the condition before COVID-19. We are so busy in our life. Students were busy in the schools, colleges.
Colonel Joshi, please unmute. There's an unmute setting. Please click on the microphone that is red on your screen in the Mozilla window. Kindly go to the Mozilla window and turn your microphone back on, please.
To all people, please turn off your camera and microphone and don't disturb our speaker.
A special request to Minesh Shah. Sir, Minesh sir, when you click on the icon of the speaker, you are accidentally muting them. Please do not repeat this because this has happened in a previous webinar also. Colonel Joshi, over to you if you are back on the microphone. No, sir. Colonel Joshi, not yet back. Please go to the Mozilla window. And when you click in the center of the screen, you will get three options at the bottom of the screen. One of them would be a muted icon. Yes, fantastic.
Yeah, now,
yes,
now can you hear me?
Voice. Yes, sir, we have your voice now.
Okay, now how do I go to presentation? I am presenting. You are presenting?
Sir, it is your presentation. We are able to see your presentation. Just go back to the presentation window and you can take control again.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I think you have control on your
screen. Yeah. So what has happened earlier, that we are very busy in our life, eating fast food, having a very fast life. In fact, most of the parents, they did not have any time to spend with their children also. And whatever little time they had, it was just on Sunday only or some holidays. And therefore, I have written कि शनिवार અને સોમવારની વચ્ચે થોડું જીવાઈ જાય છે કે જ્યારે વચ્ચે રવિવાર આવતો હોય. And today also it is basically Sunday. So this is what we are going to do. આપણે થોડા જોઈ લઈશું આપણા જીવન વિશે જાણીને. Why this particular program? Why family life? Because I had discussed with my esteemed friend Shri H.T. Patel, and he suggested कि everybody at home, generally हर एक आदमी अपनी family के साथ रह रहा है since last more than a month. So basically, let's talk about the family life as such. And then we selected this program. I'd like to tell you a very simple and short story, very lovely story. ઘણા વર્ષો પહેલાની એક વાત છે. There was a very famous painter. And one day he thought of drawing the most beautiful picture of his lifetime, you know. દુનિયાની સૌથી સુંદરમાં સુંદર વસ્તુ હોય એને એ દોરવા માંગતો હતો. He drew lots of pictures, but he was not very happy. He again thought, no, I must do something else. And therefore he went out to find out new ideas. वो अपना घर छोड़ के निकल गया. रास्ते में उसको एक पुजारी मिल गया. तो he thought, let me ask him. Then he asked him कि दुनियाની સૌથી સુંદરમાં સુંદર વસ્તુ કઈ છે? એ તો પૂજારી હતો. એને કોઈ શ્રદ્ધા, faith. શ્રદ્ધા એ જ દુનિયાની સૌથી સુંદરમાં સુંદર વસ્તુ છે. તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ, તમે કોઈ પણ કાર્ય, તમે કોઈ પણ મનુષ્ય ઉપર જો શ્રદ્ધા રાખતા હોય તો તમને એમાંથી ફળ મળતું હોય છે. You may visit a temple, but if you do not have faith on that particular deity who is residing, who is sitting there in that temple, it may not. You may be studying, but if you do not have faith on your own energy, strength, study styles and other things, you may not achieve good results. So to get something, you require Shraddha, you must have faith. He just said thank you, thanks to the pujari, and went further. જ્યારે આગળ જઈ રહ્યો હતો ત્યારે he just saw one young smart girl. એને વિચાર્યું કે ચલો મને આ છોકરીને પણ પૂછવા દે કે what is her idea about the most beautiful thing in the world. She asked him કે દુનિયાની સૌથી સુંદરમાં સુંદર વસ્તુ કઈ છે? Naturally, છોકરી હતી, young હતી. She said પ્રેમ. પ્રેમ વિનાનું જીવન રણ જેવું વેરાન હોય છે, સ્મશાન જેવું ભયંકર હોય છે. જિંદગીમાં જો પ્રેમ હોય તો ગરીબીમાં પણ શ્રીમંતાઈનો અનુભવ થાય છે. અને જો પ્રેમ ન હોય તો સુંદરતા આવી જ ક્યાંથી? કવિ સુંદરમે પણ કહ્યું હતું કે સૌંદર્ય પામતો પહેલો સૌંદર્ય બનવું પડે. પ્રેમ એ જ સૌંદર્ય છે. અને એટલા માટે પ્રેમ એ જ જિંદગીની અંદર સૌથી સુંદરમાં સુંદર વસ્તુ છે. એ ચિત્રકાર ખુશ થયો, ફરીથી આગળ ચાલ્યો. થોડા કિલોમીટર ગયો હશે અને એક સાઈડ ઉપર ઝાડના નીચે સોલ્જરના बैठेलो जो. He was wounded. पैर में से, हाथ में से खून निकल रहा था. He was very tired. And they asked the soldier the same question, my dear friend, which is the most beautiful thing in this world? He was a soldier, tired of all this fighting. He has suffered it. He had lots of bitter experiences of the life, particularly of the battlefield. He said, sir, it is shanti, peace. जिंदगी में शांति होनी चाहिए. અને જો શાંતિ હોય તો જ પછી જિંદગીની અંદર જિંદગી સારી રીતે જીવી શકાય છે, સારી રીતે માણી શકાય છે. એટલા માટે જ્યાં શાંતિ હોય તો સૌંદર્ય હોય, અને જો શાંતિ ન હોય તો સૌંદર્ય પણ ન હોય અને શ્રદ્ધા પણ ન હોય. હવે ત્રણ વસ્તુઓ મળી ગઈ ચિત્રકારને: શ્રદ્ધા, પ્રેમ અને શાંતિ. મને વિચાર કરવા માંડ્યો કે મારું બેટું આ ત્રણેય એ તો એબ્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ ચીજો છે. આના ઉપર કેવી રીતે, આ વસ્તુઓ પર કેવી રીતે પેઇન્ટિંગ બનાવી શકાય, કઈ રીતે હું ચિત્રકામ કરી શકું? થક ગયા હું. He started walking towards his home. અને જ્યારે એના ઘરની નજીક પહોંચ્યો ત્યારે એના જે નાના નાના છોકરા એકદમ દોડતો એની પાસે આવ્યા. અને જ્યારે એ ચિત્રકારે બાળકોની આંખોમાં જોયું તો તને એ બાળકોની આંખોમાં એને શ્રદ્ધા નજર આવી. થોડો ઓર એના ઘરની પાસે ગયો. એની પત્ની હસતો હસતો બહાર આવી, એની સાથે હાથ મેળવ્યો. અને જ્યારે આ ચિત્રકારે એની પત્નીનું હસતું વદન જોયું તો ત્યારે એની અંદર એને પ્રેમ નજર આવ્યો. બધા જ બાળકોની સાથે, પત્નીની સાથે જ્યારે ઘરમાં ગયો તો ઘરમાં એકદમ શાંતિ હતી. ત્રણે ત્રણ વસ્તુનો જે સમાવેશ, સમાગમ ઘરની અંદર થઈ ગયો. બાળકોને ઘર માટે, પેરેન્ટ્સ માટે શ્રદ્ધા હતી. પત્નીને એના પતિ માટે, ચિત્રકાર માટે પ્રેમ હતો. અને આખા ઘરની અંદર શાંતિ હતી. ચિત્રકાર એકદમ હસવા માંડ્યો કે અરે મારા ઘરની અંદર જ આટલી બધી વસ્તુઓ છે, ત્રણે ત્રણ. So this is my painting. અને પછી એને એક પેઇન્ટિંગ બનાવ્યું અને એનું શીર્ષક આપ્યું માય હોમ, દુનિયાની સૌથી સુંદર વસ્તુ. અને આ તમે પણ અનુભવ કર્યો જ હશે. આ તમે દરેક જગ્યાએ જાઓ, એનીવેર, લાઈક આઈ ગો આઉટ ટુ નંબર ઓફ પ્લેસીસ, આઈ સ્ટે ઇન હોટેલ, સ્ટે સમવેર ઇન guest houses, ashram. But after staying for a few days, I just think that I must go back to my home. जिस तरह से मुल्ला की दौड़ मस्जिद तक होती है, इसी तरह से हम भी जब हमारे घर में कदम रखते हैं तब हमें सुकून महसूस होता है. So that is about the family. But what has happened when we started living this fast life, we forgot somewhere about the home. And therefore, we thought of this 5-lecture series, Happy Family. Objective, basically, we just want to tell you what is the culture, family culture. There are 3 words what we generally use: culture, traditions, ethos. Culture means Sanskruti, civilization. Traditions means parampara, अपना जो रीति रिवाजों છે તે. અને ethos means basically नीति शास्त्र की क्या ठीक है, क्या ठीक नहीं है. If you combine all these 3 things, then you generally come to the general level of the family culture. Because our family culture composes of all the 3 things: Sanskruti, Parampara, and Niti Shastra. Basically, 2 things we have to understand. When you talk about family, there is no I, હું નથી એની અંદર. It is we, हम ये काम कर रहे हैं, हम ये काम कर रहे हैं. That's what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi said. We are not fighting. Government is not fighting against Corona. The whole nation, each and every one of us, we are fighting against it. So the first main important thing when we understand, when we talk about family, is we, हम लोगों ने साथ में मिलकर काम किया है. Number 1. Number 2, independence नहीं, interdependence. We are dependent on each other. You must have observed when you are children, your father was earning, your mother was looking after the home, and you are studying. From that particular income, you could study, he could clothe you, he could give you good food. So we are basically interdependent on each other. Your parents wanted your love. You had faith on your parents. And because you are studying well, there was normal general income was there. You had lots of peace in your home. All the 3 things: faith, love, and peace. That was there because of interdependence. Together, there has to be a destination, everybody's destination. Everybody can't have a single destination. Yes, a study destination can be different. But when you talk about family destination has to be a together destination, that हम सब साथ में मिले, साथ में चल करके कोई मुकाम पे हम पहुंचे. वो मुकाम कोई भी हो, कोई हमारा गोल हो, कोई जिंदगी के अंदर कोई शांति हम लेना चाहते हैं. So that is basically our objective. Methodology in these 5 days we are going to have is threefold. Firstly, we want to have a clear vision of our family destination. Okay, where do we want to reach? Our family. क्या हम 5 दिन के अंदर जानना चाहते हैं? What do we want to decide? कि हम हमारे कुटुंब को किस मुकाम पे ले जाना चाहते हैं? Family destination. That can be some success or something, some peace of mind or peace of family, whatever it is. Second, how to reach to that particular destination. That's a route chart. उस रूट चार्ट के ऊपर कई मुकाम आते हैं, but basically for this discussion, I have just selected 3 mainly. Our communication, interpersonal communication. आपस में हम किस तरह से एक दूसरे के साथ सम्मान के साथ, मान के साथ, प्यार के साथ, मोहब्बत के साथ हम बात करते हैं. आपसी संबंध हमारे कैसे हैं। नंबर 2, हाउ डू वी कीप अवर हेल्थ, हमारा स्वास्थ्य हम किस तरह से रखते हैं। और तीसरा, ऑफकोर्स मनी मैटर्स, जिसके ऊपर भी जिम्मेवारी है घर को चलाने की। घर को चलाने के लिए किस तरह के पैसे लाने हैं, और पैसे आने के बाद उसका मैनेजमेंट किस तरह से होना चाहिए, दैट मैटर्स। 3 थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ब्रिंग अबाउट पीस इन द होम and ultimately to reach the destination, family destination. And last, what we are going to try is the ideal and exemplary leadership. जब बच्चे छोटे हैं तो लीडरशिप ऑफ कोर्स इट्स पेरेंट्स। बच्चे जैसे जैसे बड़े हो जाते हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज अ लीडर इन द फैमिली। जिस मुकाम के ऊपर, जिस स्टेशन के ऊपर जो काम उनको सौंपा गया है, वहां उनकी जो नेतृत्व कला है उसका इस्तेमाल करते हुए अपने दिए गए काम को निपुणता से पूरा करना है। दैट इज अ लीडरशिप। So this is going to be our methodology, and from methodology we have evolved 5 subtopics. Today basically we are going to talk about family culture. What culture should we know about, should we adopt? Tomorrow we'll have interpersonal communication. आपस में किस तरह से कुटुंब के अंदर, समाज के अंदर किस तरह से बात करना चाहिए जिससे झगड़े कम हो, प्यार और सद्भाव की भावना कायम रहे और बढ़ती रहे। Third, healthy family, happy family. We all know healthy body has got a healthy mind. So similarly, if the whole family, all the members of the family, हर एक व्यक्ति हमारे कुटुंब का यदि खुश है, तगड़ा है, उसका शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य है, तो उसका दिमाग भी अच्छा है। दिमाग अच्छा है, दिमाग शांति में रहता है, so there is a lot of peace in the family. Then managing money matters. Money is very important. Money is required. Money is not everything, but money is an important ingredient of happiness in our family. If there is no money, we can't be happy. ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવત છે, નાણાં હોય તો નાથાલાલ અને નાણાં વગર નાથિયો. નાણાં તમારી પાસે ન હોય તો એ નાથાલાલને આપણે નાથિયો કહેતા હોઈએ છીએ, કોઈ પણ એને માન નથી આપતું. And last, when we talk about family, family will have certain problems. दुनिया के अंदर ऐसी कोई फैमिली नहीं है, कोई ऐसा कुटुंब नहीं है कि जिसके अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, कुछ न कुछ समस्याएं न रहे। और समस्या आती रहेगी, आप लोग उसके ऊपर बैठेंगे, विचार करेंगे, उसका कोई हल निकालेंगे। हर एक आदमी वो हल को मानेगा और अपने से जितनी भी हो सकती है कोशिश करेगा कि वो प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व हो जाए। So on the last day, final day, at all, if you have got certain problems, if you want to ask about these problems and other things, you can send it to ULA. We'll include those problems also. Otherwise, from my experiences, जो अनुभव है मेरा, उसके मुताबिक कई एक जो प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं अमूमन हमारी जिंदगी के अंदर, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। So this is all the program of 5 days. I have given the name पंचामृत। पंचामृत भाई कि जब भी हम कोई पूजा करते हैं, कोई अच्छा कार्य करते हैं, तो पंचामृत बनाया जाता है। 5 द्रव्य होते हैं उसके अंदर, दूध, दही, मध, शक्कर और घी, वेरी नरिशिंग। तो यही जो 5 चीजों के बारे में हम सोचेंगे। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंसेस, मेरे जो अनुभव है, कई एक चीजें मैंने सोच के रखी है कि दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू। आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिस्कस विथ यू। नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई कम टू बड़ौदा वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट दोज इश्यूज। व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दैट? I'm certain you are knowledgeable. You also have families. You have undergone certain experiences. So just think about those 5 dravyas, Panchamrit. आप सोचेंगे, then you'll be able to create a happy culture in your family. Certain specific issues, we'll just talk about it in present day families. When I was born about 60, 70 years back, gender roles were fixed, but now the roles have been changed. Most of the families, wife and husband, they are both working, both earning. Because if you want to lead a reasonably good life, if you want to be economically independent, some sort of multiple income is required. And therefore, we have wife and husband both are serving. So gender roles are generally increasingly interwoven. Earlier, that family was a joint family, but now a core family, their wife and husband, one or two children. We'll come to that. Another thing which I have noticed in our society now, during our time, child marriage was a norm. It was a norm. I mean, so when a child is about 13, 14 years of age, they used to get married. But now the marriageable age is generally beyond 25. Some people, they get married at the age of 30. पहले लोग भगवान को करेक्शन बच्चों को भगवान की देन समझते थे, and therefore they used to have a number of children. Now people have realized, no, so many children, it's a burden. I mean, so you can't look after them, then you don't have any right to get them into this world. आपकी जितनी ताकत है, आर्थिक जो परिस्थिति है, आपकी शारीरिक स्थिति कैसी है, उसके मुताबिक ही आप बच्चे कर सकते हैं. So there are so many things. Another thing is greater life expectancy. Earlier people used to die at the age of 60, 70. Now in most of the houses, they have got their old aged parents and they are beyond 80, 85, 90. Now at that age, naturally, they are dependent on others. अमूमन जो प्रतिदिन को जो क्रिया करनी है, उसमें किसी की हेल्प की जरूरत होती है, मदद की जरूरत होती है. Divorce rate also. So all those points I considered before devising this particular series of 5 talks. There is no secret recipe, nothing. And again, nothing is constant also. The things are changing because समय बदलता रहता है. जिस तरह से समय बदलता है, उसके मुताबिक हालत बदलती है. When I was young, I had 2 sons, the things were different. When both the sons got married to wives from different environment, they came into the home, things are different. When they started working and now when they are on their own and they also have their children and I'm a grandfather, things are different. So things will change. But the secret recipe basically is what we have in India. It's our Indian culture. जिस तरह से हम भारत के अंदर रहते हैं, कुटुंब के अंदर, कुटुंब में प्यार रखते हैं एक दूसरे के प्रति, एक दूसरों के साथ अदब से बात करते हैं, उनका मान सम्मान करते हैं, साथ में काम करते हैं, साथ में बाहर जाते हैं, साथ में खाना खाते हैं. So that sort of togetherness, maybe children may be staying away, but whenever time comes, they just come together, they live together, and that is nothing but a secret recipe. People have got their own personal life, but whenever time comes, they have to be together, and this corona time is something like that. So with that preface, now I come to the first lecture of our series, and that is understanding family culture. What is family culture? I just give you 3 words: culture, traditions, and ethos. Generally, of course, if you go into details, if you search in the dictionary some meaning, deeper meaning, and other things, you may find certain variants in the meaning. But it is nothing but some sort of combination of संस्कृति और परंपरा जो हमने हमारे माँ बाप से सीखी है, जिसका अनुभव हमने हमारी शाला में, कॉलेजेस के अंदर किया है, हमारे गुरुजन से हमने सीखी है, और उसके बाद में जब हमने समाज के अंदर जब काम करना शुरू किया, वहां से हम सीखते. That is our culture. And to understand that, again, I have further subdivided. Firstly, we'll talk about our Indian family system very briefly. Then I want to just give you some gist about success and happiness, because after all we are talking about happy family. We are just not talking about family only. कुटुंब के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे, हम एक सुखी सुखी कुटुंब के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And therefore we must understand what is happiness, and we all know that happiness comes from some success. So we'll just have a little bit of discussion about success and happiness, and finally we'll just collect all our thoughts and have some sort of presentation, some idea about what should be a happy family culture. Family, they live under one roof. एक रूफ के अंदर ही रहते हैं, एक ही घर के अंदर रहते हैं, एक चार दीवारों के अंदर रहते हैं. Family members share their lives emotionally and together fulfill the multiple responsibilities of family. घर के अंदर बड़े से काम होते हैं. If you just happen to see how your mother works or how your wife is working at home, particularly during these corona days, she's doing everything what is happening even in a big hotel, 5-star hotel के अंदर जो काम होता है, वो सब पूरा काम घर के अंदर एक औरत करती है. वो औरत चाहे हमारी मम्मी है या तो हमारी पत्नी है, वो हमारी बहन भी हो सकती है, कोई भी हो सकता है. Multiple responsibilities. And how do we fulfill them? Because we remain emotionally together. एक दूसरे के साथ हम जो रिश्ते से हम बंधे हुए हैं, जो प्यार का रिश्ता है, जो खून का रिश्ता है, जो मान का सम्मान का रिश्ता है, उस रिश्ते को कायम रखते हुए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. काम बांटा हुआ है, घर के अंदर काम जरूर बांटा हुआ है. It's a good, or at least good organization. One must divide the responsibility, but it is not a rigid sort of departmentation. जो सिर्फ कपड़े धोना है, उसको सिर्फ खाना बनाना है, उसको सिर्फ बर्तन साफ करना है. No, it's not that way. They all help together. So when we come to family, family is nothing but togetherness. सब एकजुट होकर के तन मन और धन, तीन चीजें. तन से एक दूसरे के साथ हाथों में हाथ मिला करके काम करते, मन से साथ में होते, और धन, whatever income is coming through the earnings, whatever is that is being utilized for the welfare of everybody. So तन मन धन से एक साथ एकजुट रह करके चार दीवारों के अंदर जब लोग रहते हैं, that becomes a family. Family is the building block of society, and that our greatest fulfillment lies there. मनुष्य जिंदगी में आता है तो सबसे पहले फैमिली के अंदर आता है. वो उसकी मम्मी है, सबसे पहले तो 9 महीने अपने पेट के अंदर रखती है, और उसके बाद में तकरीबन 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल तक उसका पूरा जतन करती है. मम्मी यस अपनी ओर से काम करती है, उसी तरह से पापा कुछ कमा करके लाते हैं, भाई बहन भी उस काम के अंदर मदद करते हैं. And therefore the human connection is being established between all the members of the family. When a child grows up, बच्चा जब बड़ा होता है तो सबसे पहले यही लोग, जो घर के अंदर जो लोग हैं, वही उसके सामने आते हैं और उन्हीं को पहचानना शुरू करता है. And that is how human connection is being developed. Indian family system. I just want to tell you something about the Vedic system also. कि हमारी जो वैदिक सिस्टम के अंदर हमारी जिंदगी के 4 भागों के अंदर, 4 स्टेजेस के अंदर, उसको हम आश्रम कहते हैं, स्टेजेस के अंदर बांटा है. जब आप छोटे होते हैं, पढ़ाई करते हैं, उसको अमूमन हम ब्रह्मचार्य आश्रम बोलते हैं. That is up to adolescence, but beyond that also around 20-25. Then you attain earlier adulthood and adulthood. So 25 onwards, you enter into adulthood. It remains up to 50 years of age. And that's the time you generally finish your education, apply for a job, get some job, and start earning something. And that is what we call गृहस्थाश्रम. भारतीय परंपरा में बताया गया है कि इट इज वन ऑफ द ड्यूटीज. हर एक आदमी को संन्यास लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. People have to get married because otherwise this whole thing will get destroyed. People have to get married. गृहस्थाश्रम is an important duty that you get married. बच्चे पैदा करें, बच्चों को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाएं और आगे ले जाएं. Grihasthashram is one of the most important ashrams in your life. And then, yes, when you are around 50 years, 55 years of age, you retire and then you enter into Vanprasthashram. And thereafter, if you live longer, if your mind permits, if your spirituality permits, then you enter into Sannyas Ashram. Sannyas Ashram is not a must, but Vanprasthashram is a must. Now, I want to tell you one most important thing. The definition of family culture, familyhood changes from stage to stage. जब आप छोटे बच्चे हैं, family ideals are different. When you are a student, those ideals are different. When you get married, पत्नी आपके पास आती है, आपके छोटे-छोटे बच्चे हो जाते हैं. Your family becomes different because naturally then you've got more important things to work for your wife and your own kids. So whenever we talk about family culture, family traditions, we must understand that in which ashram, which stage we are living, because उस समय के मुताबिक हमारी जो वैल्यू सिस्टम है उसमें बदलाव तो जरूर आएगा और बदलाव आना जरूरी भी है. एक छोटी सी बात मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि जब तक बच्चे की शादी नहीं होती, अपने लड़के की शादी नहीं होती है, तब तक मदर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वुमन इन हिज लाइफ. बट एज एंड व्हेन योर सन गेट्स मैरिड, there is somebody else. His wife is the most important woman in his life. If we understand this, if we understand this particular concept, then we'll be able to retain that happiness in our family. We'll be able to avoid those tension, those quarrelsome behavior, which is generally happening, saas bahu ke beech mein or other members of the family. And therefore I'm saying it कि जिंदगी के किस मुकाम के ऊपर है और उस मुकाम के ऊपर हमें क्या करना है, हमारी ड्यूटी क्या है, हमारा धर्म क्या है, किस तरह से हमें बिहेव करना है. That particular thing we must understand. Joint family, core family, earlier joint families were there where there are 3-4 generations of the people. Papa, Mummy, Dada, Dadi, Chacha, Chachera, Tau, so many people, 30, 40 people were staying together. Of course, now that system is not there. It's basically a core family. And core family, it's a need of the time because after all, you can't get a job in the same city. As per your education, as per your attitude, temperament, expertise, skill, you may get employment somewhere else, away from your city, away from your states, away from your own country also. So when you move around, जहाँ आपको रोजी रोटी मिलती है वहाँ आपको जाना पड़ेगा और जहाँ आप जाएंगे वहाँ naturally your family, your wife and children will follow you. So the core family, just wife, husband, 1 or 2 children, that it's a very practical solution nowadays. પરિવાર એટલે શું? બહુ સરસ શબ્દમાં લખ્યું છે. બંધારણ ન હોય, વ્યવસ્થા હોય, સૂચન ન કરવાનું હોય, સમજણ કરવાનું. એટલા માટે મેં કહ્યું કે ઘરની અંદર જો કામ કરવાનું, yes, some sort of demarcation is required, but it is not a very rigid demarcation. કાયદો ના હોય પણ અનુશાસન. सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, भय नहीं पर भरोसा, फेथ, शोषण नहीं पोषण, because we want to grow you up into a handsome, beautiful and worthy citizen of this nation. आग्रह नहीं आदर, संपर्क नहीं संबंध है, connection, not connection is not required. अर्पण नहीं समर्पण, we should be dedicated to our members of the family. Come to second part, success and happiness. We have got 15 minutes or more, but one thing I just want to tell you, what is success? Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. आपने अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर कोई एक ध्येय बना करके रखा है, और वो ध्येय किसी भी डिसिप्लिन के अंदर हो सकता है. पढ़ाई के अंदर आप गोल रखते हैं, यस इस तरह से मुझे इस पढ़ना है, आई वांट टू बिकम अ लॉयर, आई वांट टू बिकम डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर और एनीथिंग. सो एक प्रकार का ध्येय. उस तरह से जिंदगी के जो जो पहलू है, शारीरिक, मानसिक, आर्थिक, व्यावसायिक, हर एक के अंदर आपके कोई ना कोई गोल होते हैं, कोई ध्येय होते हैं. अभी ऐसा तो नहीं कि हर एक ध्येय इतना छोटा हो कि कई एक ध्येय छोटे भी होते हैं. जैसे टुडे मेरा ध्येय ये है कि एक लेक्चर जो पहला इस सीरीज में जो पहला लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताऊं, सो दैट वी गेट फिक्स्ड ऑन टू द रेल्स. छोटे छोटे होते हैं, पर जिंदगी के जो ध्येय होते हैं बहुत बड़े होते हैं. 1-2 साल के अंदर सालों साल चलते रहते, कभी कभी थोड़े थोड़े बदलते भी रहते हैं. सो प्रोग्रेसिव रियलाइजेशन, जैसे जैसे हम जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं, कई एक दफा हम गोल को थोड़ा इधर उधर भी करते हैं. वी गो इन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड सक्सेस. When I was young, I wanted to find a good job. I joined the army. I became an army officer. When I was under training, I wanted to join Armored Corps. I wanted to command tanks, tank commander. Lucky or whatever it is, I joined Armored Corps. I just pursued my studies and other things, and finally I came out. Then I wanted to do social service. I started doing it. So the goal, yes, it is going in a similar direction. I want to be fruitful to myself, to the society, to the nation. So little bit of variation is there, but प्रोग्रेसिव रियलाइजेशन जैसे जैसे समय आता है, उस तरह से मैं मेरी जिंदगी के अंदर जो आगे बढ़ना है उसमें मैं चलता हूं. आप जो भी है, विद्यार्थी है, यंग है, एडल्ट है, मेरी तरह थोड़े से पुख्त वय के इंसान है, जो भी है, जिंदगी के अंदर आप अपने ध्येय बनाए और उसके ऊपर चलते रहिए. जैसे जैसे आपको सक्सेस मिलता जाएगा, दैट विल गिव यू हैप्पीनेस. True success is not measured by money and other things. હું જ્યારે નાનો હતો ત્યારે બહુ સરસ વાર્તા આવતી હતી, સુખી માણસનું પહેરણ. એક રાજા હતો, અને રાજા હોય એટલે તો પછી એની પાસે મહેલ, ચાકર બાકર બધું, કોઈ વસ્તુની કમી તો હતી જ નહીં. One day he fell sick, बीमार हो गया, અને lots of people came, कोई उसको ठीक नहीं कर पाया. काफी सारे लोगों को उसने भेजा, तो उसके जो सैनिक थे, उसने एक भिखारी जैसा आदमी जो था, वो रोड पे जा रहा था नगर के अंदर, वो बोल रहा था कि मैं राजा को ठीक कर सकता हूँ. पकड़ के उस आदमी को राजा के पास लाए. राजा ने पूछा कि क्या तू मुझे ठीक कर सकता है? हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ आपको. कहता तो नहीं करेगा तो मैं तेरा सर काट दूंगा. कहता कुछ भी, पर मैं जो बताता हूँ वो चीज यदि आप लाएंगे तो मैं आपको ठीक कर सकता हूँ. क्या चीज चाहिए? कि कोई सुखी मानसનું પહેરણ મંગાવો. શર્ટ, પહેરણ means shirt. But that's all. Yes, yes. He sent his soldiers here or there, all the 4 direction of his empire. 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Nothing happened. He called his Senapati. क्या हुआ? He sent his Senapati himself. You go, ready, find out. Just one simple shirt, cotton shirt, you can't get from such a big empire. Senapati again roamed around, and once he was traveling on his horse, he just saw a person sleeping under a tree. बहुत गर्मी थी, but वो बंदा आराम से सो रहा था. थोड़ा सा छाव था वो पेड़ का, एंड देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ पीस ऑफ माइंड ऑन हिज फेस आल्सो। न तो उसको गर्मी लग रही थी, न कोई थकान थी, आराम से एकदम। तो सेनापति थॉट कि इज अ वेरी हैप्पी मैन, आई मस्ट गेट हिज शर्ट एंड immediately go to the king. He went there and he was about to ask कि તું મને તારું શર્ટ આપ, અને પછી જ્યારે એને પેલા માણસને જગાડ્યો અને જોયું તો એને શર્ટ પહેર્યું જ નતું, ખાલી નીચે એક ધોતી सी पहनी थी छोटी सी। कहता तूने सिर्फ धोती पहनी, तेरा शर्ट नहीं है? कहते मुझे शर्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं है, आई डोंट रिक्वायर, ये धोती बहुत काफी है। धोती धोती नीचे जमीन पे लगा कर मैं उसके ऊपर सोता हूँ, जब नहाता हूँ तो उससे मैं मेरा शरीर भी साफ करता हूँ, उससे मैं पहन लेता हूँ, धोती बन जाती है, आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स। एंड फाइनली all these people came back. He said, then he said that भिखारी ने बोला कि देखो आप किंग है, इस दुनिया में ऐसा कोई भी इंसान नहीं है कि जो पूरा सुखी हो सकता है, और जो सुखी होता है वो कभी शर्ट नहीं पहनता, he doesn't mind anything at all। सुख दुख सिर्फ आपके मन के अंदर है, यदि वो आप निकाल देंगे तो आप ठीक हो जाएंगे। जैसे वो खेत के अंदर जो बंदा सो रहा था उसी तरह किंग अंडरस्टूड, एंड उसका जो डर था वो चला गया। सक्सेस इज समथिंग which you have to realize in your mind, you have to realize in your heart. It doesn't come through money or properties or anything else. Two words I want you to understand. एक तो when you get what you want, તમે કોઈ ચીજ માંગો ને એ જો ચીજ તમને મળી જાય તો that is called happiness, આનંદ, તમે સુખી થઈ જાઓ છો। You appear for 12th exam, you appear for any other competitive exam, if you come in the merit list, you are very happy, extremely happy. That's happiness, because that is what you wanted. But life is not that ki every time you ask for something and you get it. No, no, my dear friends, it never happens। Most of the time man proposes and God disposes। आप जो मांगते हैं वो कभी नहीं मिलता, कभी मिलता है।
તો હોય તો કર્નલ સાહેબને પ્રેઝન્ટેશન ફરી લાવવા પડશે।
હા સર, so Colonel sir,
हाँ,
we'll take a pause. You have to go back to your Mozilla screen and press on the presentation button again.
present, stop present, resume your presentation।
Resume.
Yeah.
Yes, resume.
Resume presenting, yeah। Could
Yes
you
sir,
get it?
please go ahead. We are able to see it now. Please go ahead sir, thank you.
Even presentation also, na?
Yes, we are able to see the presentation.
Okay। So when you want something and वो चीज आपको मिल जाती है, that brings you happiness।
Kamla
ठीक है?
Ratnam, please mute your mic and please do not present the screen again. Kamla Ratnam.
Sir, should I continue?
Yes, please.
बट मैं ये बोल रहा था कि जिंदगी के हर दफा जो आप मांगते हो वो नहीं मिलता है। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आप कुछ भी मांगेंगे वो शायद नहीं मिलेगा। मैन प्रपोजेस, गॉड डिस्पोजेस, बट भगवान को भी कुछ अपनी अपनी स्कीम से ही इज डूइंग हिज वर्क एज पर हिज ओन चॉइस। देन व्हाट शुड वी डू, एंड दैट इज वेयर वी कम। जो आपको मिलता है उसी के अंदर यदि आप सुख मानेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंटेनमेंट, संतोष। जब जिंदगी के अंदर हर एक परिस्थिति के अंदर यदि आप संतोष का एहसास करेंगे, then you remain eternally happy। I don't want to make you passive, where you have to work hard, you have to work hard, you have to study means you have to study, if you are doing a job you have to do a job 100%। I'm not asking to become passive and just slipshod method से काम करते रहो और उसको चला लेना, वो बात मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ। But in spite of putting your best and something else comes up which is not as per your desire, as per your expectation, You should not get into depression. No, that is not the requirement. उसको संतोष मानना है कि इस तरह से कर्मण्य वादि कारस्तु मां फलेषु कदाचन, जिस तरह की मेहनत की थी फल मुझे इस तरह से मिला है, आई मस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आई मस्ट वर्क। जिंदगी में यदि परम सुख आपको लेना है तो टाइम मस्ट कम इन योर लाइफ when your desires must become zero, zero, zero. And that avastha, usko hum bolte vaanaprastha. When you are 50, 55, whatever you wanted, you could do it. You have done it. You had children, you graduated them, you put them in proper jobs and other things. Now don't think, don't ask anything extra. Go ahead, संतोष लाइए घर के अंदर। संतोषी मानो फोटो लाइने मुको अपनी पूजा करो। So when you get santosh, you become eternally happy and your family life also becomes happy. This is an individual exercise. I want all of you to just find out. हम जो सोचते हैं actually हर एक की जिंदगी में at my age also कि कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझे इसमें से खुशी मिलेगी, पर व्हेन आई सिट डाउन कॉन्टेम्पलेट, सोचता हूँ, थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करता हूँ, तो रियली मुझे ऐसी चीजों में खुशी नहीं मिल रही है, मुझे संतोष नहीं मिल रहा है। माई हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट देयर। यू ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट कि एक्चुअली वेयर डू यू गेट योर हैप्पीनेस फ्रॉम। अपनी जिंदगी में पीछे जाइए कि कब कब आप सच में खुश थे, बहुत, यू आर सो हैप्पी, एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी, एज इफ द होल हेवन इज विथ यू। दुनिया की पूरी खुशी आपके जहन के अंदर आ गई। फाइंड आउट दोज मोमेंट्स, डायसेक्ट देम, रिमेंबर व्हाट मेड यू हैप्पी एज अ चाइल्ड। सो फाइंड आउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड जस्ट से कि यस, दिस इज द वे आई कैन बिकम हैप्पी, हैप्पियर अगेन। एज अ चाइल्ड, अ सिंपल टॉय, it's enough. My grandson, he is fond of pens, costly pens. On his birthday, I just give him one pen, maybe costing 150, 200, 300 rupees. He's extremely happy. Oh, he has got something. So find out what makes you happy and always try to get those things done. Here, I have given out a list. Happiness, I just told you. Once we achieve a particular target, goal, you're happy. So have multiple targets. Have small targets, medium-term targets, long-term targets. Strive for them. Smile, my dear friend. हंसना बहुत जरूरी है। रोना तो मना ही है यहाँ जिंदगी में। इसलिए तो किसी ने, कोई कवि ने लिखा है कि हम हंसते हुए रोते हुए आते हैं, पर ऐसे काम करने चाहिए जिंदगी में पूरे कि हम जब जाएंगे हंसते हुए जाएंगे और फिर दुनिया हमारे पे जाने पर रोएगी। Smile always. Share the happiness with others. Mostly what we do, we share our unhappiness. दुखी हो जाते तो हमारे को बता देते। Why? They can't do anything to you. दुख यदि हुआ है, आप बीमार हैं, you have to suffer, you have to undergo. People, लोग आएंगे आपके साथ, सांत्वना आपको जरूर देंगे, but sufferings, body suffering, तो you have to undergo yourself only. So why not share happiness? And I have seen, I experienced myself, whenever you are happy and you share your happiness, it multiplies. जैसे आजकल हम कोरोना की बात करते हैं ना, redoubling and tripling of all those things. That is how it happens, and therefore we normally celebrate our birthdays and other things. Meet with our friends. Willing to help others. We are existing in this world because our parents, particularly our mother, helped us. यदि वो हमें दूध नहीं पिलाती, हमारा ध्यान नहीं रखती, तो शायद हम इतना बड़ा होते ही नहीं है। This whole world is interdependent, and basically we survive, we live because of the charity from others. We must remember this. Keep a childlike heart. बहुत मजा आता है बच्चे बनने में। कभी कभी कोई आपको बुद्धू बना जाता है, आप जानते हैं कि आपको बुद्धू बना रहा है, तो भी बस बनते रहिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है। Nothing is going to harm you. Childlike heart means, yeah, you feel unhappy, but immediately when you get something else, after a couple of minutes, again you feel happy. You are running around, with full smile on your face. Innocent, that's called childlike. You get on well with different kinds of people. जिंदगी के अंदर तो रहना ही पड़ेगा, नौकरी के अंदर कहीं भी. So interpersonal relation जो भी है अच्छे होने चाहिए. And keep the sense of humor. जब भी दुखी होते हैं, laugh on yourself. Get some books, jokes की किताबें रखो. I've got almost about dozen books on jokes. खुशवंत सिंह के काफी सारे वॉल्यूम्स मेरे पास पढ़े, तबस्सुम के पढ़े हैं. स्मॉल anecdotes of the life. मजा आता सुनने में. And it's very important to laugh on ourselves also. किसी और का टांग खींच करके तो हंसते हैं हम लोग, बट अपने आप पर भी हंसना चाहिए. Now let's see about family culture. ST, I've got 10 minutes. Hello.
Yes, you can. 20 minutes.
I got about 10 minutes, na?
No, more. You have almost 25 minutes.
Acha, okay. Now let's see how to cultivate family culture. That is very important. It's the inner happiness that finally decides whether yours is a happy home. बाहर की जो चमक तमक है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है हमें. What is inside you? आपके दिल के अंदर क्या है? That is very important. Are you happy from your heart? What is your energy level? What is your positivity? A small story. There was a small child, फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड के अंदर पढ़ता था, और जब भी ब्रेक के अंदर अपने स्कूल से बाहर जाता था तो यूज्ड टू फाइंड एक गुब्बारे वाला आता था. नॉर्मली दे कम ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेक टाइम ओनली. और उनको भी पता है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चों को गुब्बारा बहुत अच्छा लगता है. डिफरेंट कलर्स, रेड, ब्लू, पर्पल, डिफरेंट कलर्स. So the small child generally used to go, जाता था गुब्बारे वाले के पीछे खड़ा रहता था. एंड गुब्बारे वाला क्या करते, नॉर्मली द मार्केटिंग टेक्निक, couple of गुब्बारा दे यूज्ड टू फ्लाई देयर. थोड़ा सा हीलियम गैस, लाइट गैस डाल के ऊपर ही रखते थे. So the children used to see gubbaras and they used to come and buy. So number of days this child went over there and he saw a number of gubbaras in the sky floating around. Every day he used to just look at them, he used to see the colors. He had some puzzle in his mind. He used to see different colors. But one particular color was never there. So one day he collected the courage and let me ask this chap. So he went over there, वो पीछे खड़ा रहा और उसका पैंट खींचने लगा. गुब्बारा वाले ने देखा कि मेरा कोई पैंट पीछे से खींच रहा है. उसने पीछे देखा तो स्मॉल चाइल्ड he was tugging along. तो बेटे क्या है आपको, गुब्बारा चाहिए? कहते अंकल गुब्बारा नहीं चाहिए, बट मेरे मन के अंदर कोई संशय है. मैंने क्या है, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? कहते मैं हर रोज आकर यहाँ देखता हूँ कि काफी सारे कलर के गुब्बारे ऊपर है. कुछ लाल है, पीला है, नीला है, different colors, beautiful colors, shining. But I never saw any gubbara with black color, any balloon with black color. काले कलर का कोई गुब्बारा ही नहीं था. तो मेरे मन में सवाल उठता है कि क्या काले कलर का गुब्बारा हवा में नहीं उड़ सकता? And the chap gently smiled. He took the hand of the child into his hand, sat down nearer and said, बेटे ऐसा नहीं है. The color of the गुब्बारा doesn't matter. कोई भी किसी भी कलर का गुब्बारा ऊपर जा सकता है, provided some light gas had been filled in. गुब्बारे के अंदर कौन सा गैस है उसके मुताबिक ऊपर जा सकता है. यदि उसके अंदर आप रेती डालेंगे, पानी डालेंगे, गुब्बारा कभी ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. Exactly, similarly, जो कलर है, जो दमक चमक है हमारे घर की, हमारे संपत्ति की, हमारा जो मोह है उसकी, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं। हमारे मन के अंदर क्या, हमारे दिल में क्या है? आर वी लाइट? आर वी ह्यूमरस? आर वी काइंड? Those sort of spiritual, not forget about spirituality, those sort of human like qualities, if we possess in our heart, then that is called inner happiness. That culture needs to be developed at our stage if we want to become eternally happy. Couple of points I will just tell you. What are the pillars of culture? हमारी जो परंपरा है कुटुंब की, इसके अंदर क्या क्या होना चाहिए? द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज लव. शब्द नहीं है, क्रिया है, एक्शन है. A happy home is a combination of shared love and satisfaction from the parents. Love each other. It's a two-way traffic. Parents love the children, children love the parents. वही श्रद्धा और प्यार उनके अंदर होता है. And there is a duty for the elders to perform, because they are elders, and therefore it is their duty to perform. They have to introduce love to their children, how to love. It is very important. And how do they learn? By experiences, अनुभव के साथ, by observation. जिस तरह से, किस तरह से आप अपनी पत्नी से प्यार करते हैं वो बच्चा देख लेता है. आप अपने माँ बाप से किस तरह से प्यार करता है वो देखता है कि माँ बाप को किस तरह से प्यार करता है. आप अपने दोस्त के साथ किस तरह से व्यवहार करते हैं बच्चा देखता है. आप अपने पेट एनिमल के साथ, एवरीथिंग ही ऑब्जर्व्स. Understand that by observation, the child is learning so many things. And therefore, love is something which we must practice in our home every time, with everybody, including so-called, we call non-living things also, how we look after our utensil, how we look after our books, how we look after our furniture, how we look after our two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers. All those things, that जो प्यार है इन चीजों के प्रति, चाहे लिविंग है, नॉन लिविंग है, वो हमें बताना है. सेकंड, देयर हैज टू बी सेंस ऑफ पर्पस. दिशाहीन अभी कभी नहीं होना है. भटकते नहीं रहना जिंदगी के अंदर. जिस मुकाम के, जिस स्टेज के ऊपर है, व्हेन यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, यू हैव गॉट अ पर्टिकुलर लाइन टू चूज. You are studying in a particular stream, a college, and you are doing graduation, post-graduation, something you are doing. A sense of purpose of what you are doing. When you grow up, again, sense of purpose. जैसे जैसे जिंदगी के अंदर आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं, your sense of purpose will change. Because your purpose will change means your goal will change. And then you have to run towards that goal. भटक गए जिंदगी के अंदर, मजा नहीं. Sometimes you have a wrong purpose, realize that, give corrections, and come back to the right purpose of the life. महाभारत की सीरियल चल रही है अभी. We have got Pandavas, 5 brothers one side, we have got 100 brothers, Kauravas on another side. See the sense of purpose of the whole life. Yudhishthir is a man of forgiveness, क्षमा. क्षमा ही सत्य है, क्षमा ही धर्म है, क्षमा ही जीवन है. क्षमा ही करते रहो, क्षमा ही करते रहो. और दूसरी तरफ जो कौरव में ज्येष्ठ पुत्र है, जो क्या, दुर्योधन, करप्शन, जस्ट प्रपंची. किसी के राज ले लेने, किसी की संपत्ति लेनी, यही काम है उसका. पूरे जिंदगी भर वो काम करता रहता है. That is his sense of purpose. Have a positive sense of purpose and your life becomes positive, culture becomes positive. Family relationship, very important, because earlier we discussed Family means what? The number of people are there. Children are there. Siblings can be anybody, brothers, sisters. When family grows up, again your children, they get married. Daughters get married. Family gets expanded. When your sons get married, the wives come from different environment, different education, different background. So many people, they just come together under one roof. If you do not establish proper relationship with everybody, then naturally तो घर के अंदर फिर झगड़े ही झगड़े होते हैं. A good family relationship, this is what we are going to discuss tomorrow. Very important. Some happy family culture के rules हैं. Put the other person first. This is what we have learned from our parents. कोई अच्छी चीज घर में आएगी, सबसे पहले बच्चों को खिलाते. कम होगी तो भी उस सबसे पहले उसका पूरा शेयर बच्चों को देते हैं. नहीं होगी तो वो नहीं खाएंगे. हर दफा पर्टिकुलरली फैमिली के अंदर तो सामने वाला जो भी व्यक्ति है, अमूमन जो छोटा है, जो थोड़ा सा अस्वस्थ है, बीमार है, उसका तो ज्यादा ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है. स्पीक विथ लव. जो भी भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है घर के अंदर, उसे प्यार की भाषा, मोहब्बत की भाषा, सम्मान की भाषा, आदर. सच बोलना है. झूठ बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. घर में झूठ बोलने की क्या मतलब है? And at all, somehow, if you are told some lies, repent it. कुछ गलती हो जाती है, माफी मांगना बहुत जरूरी है. You must have read that book, महात्मा गांधी की आत्मकथा છે सत्यना प्रयोग. If you haven't read, then please read My Experiments with Truth. Gandhiji was a very shy boy when he was a child. And because his elder brother wanted to eat some non-veg and other things, and therefore कुछ पैसे किसी से लेने पड़े थे. અને હવે પૈસા પાછા આપવા માટે એમની પાસે કશું હતું નહીં. એમની પાસે એક સોનાનું કડું હતું, તો પછી સોનીની પાસે ગયા, went to goldsmith, छोटा सा पोर्शन उसमें से कटवा करके वो जो डेट था उनका वो भरपाई कर दिया. बट मोहन छोटा था, मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. पर मोहन को अच्छा नहीं लगा कि एक दिस इज अ ब्लडी चीटिंग एंड चीटिंग विथ माय पेरेंट्स. ऐसा क्यों? He contemplated, and after a few days he went to his father and he just हिम्मत तो इतनी थी नहीं, छोटे बच्चे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि इस तरह से आकर के एकदम कबूलात कर ले कि मैंने ऐसी गलती की है. He wrote down on paper कि पूज्य पिताजी, this is what we have done. I came under the influence of elder brother and this is what we have stolen some gold from this kada. I'm very sorry, extremely sorry. He went to his father's room and gave it to him. Stood there in silence. कबा गांधी ने वो किताब पढ़ लेटर पढ़ा. He didn't say anything. काफी गुस्से वाले आदमी थे, but on that particular day he did not utter a single word. Only few drops of tears came out from his eyes. Gandhiji writes in his book कि ये जो चंद एक बूंद आंसू की जो थी, उससे मेरा पूरा जीवन परिवर्तन हो गया. कि जिंदगी के अंदर कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलना है. अरे झूठ बोलना भी है, तुरंत जाकर के कबूलात कर देनी है. माइंड योर मैनर्स. सभ्यता. मेक द राइट चॉइस. बी करेजियस. डरना नहीं है. गार्ड योर हार्ट. हार्ट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग. छोटी सी चीज है. हार्ट का मतलब ये है कि योर पॉजिटिविटी, योर इनोसेंस. फॉरगिव फ्रीली. कर दो. दिस इज द ओनली थिंग which you can give and you are not spending anything on it. किसी को माफ करना है ना, हमारे बाप के क्या पैसे लगते, थोड़ा मन को समझाना है। कोई गाली बोलता है, कोई आपको थोड़ा सा छोटा मोटा धोखा दे देता है, कोई आपका अपमान करता है, क्या फॉरगिव, माफ कर दो। ऑलवेज डू योर बेस्ट, कर्मी होगी जो भी काम करना है। पहले तो थिंक व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, but once you select that this is the path on which you want to go, this is your aim, this is your goal, then my dear friends, go all out. That's what Swami Vivekananda has told us. Arise, awake, and do not stop till your goal is reached. Do your best, 100%. And be thankful. We are very thankful. We are thankful to you all, ST and others, that we are talking to each other. For anything, wherever you think that somebody has done some sort of favor to you, be thankful. And be thankful to God that God has given us such a beautiful life. I will give you certain simple things which you can do, if you remember. Eat, play and love. खुश रहो. फौज के अंदर हमें सिखाया जाता है कि जब तकलीफें होती है एक्सरसाइज के अंदर, we suffer, we don't mind suffering it, but when time comes, वो हम जंगल में भी मंगल बना देते हैं. We just enjoy. Fun of family meals, साथ में खाना खाओ. कोरोना के अंदर तो now whole family is generally together. Stay home, stay together. I'll add one more, stay safe. It's the first time that if you stay home and if you maintain distance, you are staying safe. Be the cool parents. गुस्सा मत करो. Younger generation who is maybe recently got married, small kids, you must understand that, you have to act like a good cop, bad cop. If mom is strict, then father has to be little generous. If father is strict, then mom has to. Because the flow of love should be incessant, continuous flow of love. Love should be provided to children every time, 24 hours. Somebody, either both the parents or one parent. Create and uphold boundaries. Boundaries का मतलब यह है कि have some असूल, principles अपने रखो जिंदगी के अंदर. Have an adventurous mind. डरो मत. Celebrate your history, whatever you are. जो भी जिंदगी में अभी तक हुआ है, that is what you have done. You have that was your choice. You selected it and that's what you got. So no regrets. But at all, if you think that you have not utilized your full energy, 100% energy, you could have done better, try it again. Start texting. एक दूसरे से texting का मतलब है लेटर्स, एक दूसरे को अपना जो अनुभव है, you have to share your views and other things. Declutter your home. घर के अंदर ज्यादा चीजें मत खरीदो. एलिमिनेट क्लटर. जो चीजें इसमें भी जो पुरानी हो गई है, मैं मेरी सोसाइटी में कहीं भी देखता हूँ क्या होता है कि पुरानी बच्चों की साइकिलें वहां भी पड़ी होती है. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द सोसाइटी. स्कूटर्स, टू व्हीलर्स पड़े होंगे कहीं. सिमिलरली घर के अंदर जो चीज पुरानी होगी, विच यू आर नॉट मेकिंग यूज ऑफ इट एंड यू आर नॉट लाइकली टू यूज इट, प्लीज थ्रो अवे. घर के अंदर हर एक जगह अपनी वॉल के ऊपर, किचन के अंदर, आपकी अलमारी के अंदर जो चीजें सब निकाल दो. बिकॉज दैट ब्रिंग्स नेगेटिविटी and therefore the positivity reduces. Make use of fresh flowers. घर के अंदर लाइटिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Not like a bar room or hotel, shaded lights. Beautiful bright light. And don't be afraid of fire. घर के अंदर दिया भी जलाओ. आग लग जाएगी, ये लग जाएगी, नहीं. Small things. Because घर यदि अच्छा है, सुंदर है. सुंदर का मतलब यह है कि you don't have to buy costly things and decorate it. Very sober things, what you love, what you like, what you can afford. By the way, your house, your kitchen, your drawing room, it is nothing but the reflection of the personality of the parents, personality of those people who are staying there. how then once you declutter, ये जो junk है घर में से कबाड़ पूरा खाली कर दिया, उसके बाद में how to bring about positive home environment, dispose of unnecessary things, तुरंत निकाल दो। कहिए कि घर में जाएंगे, एक साल के पूरे मैगजीन्स और न्यूज़पेपर पड़े होंगे। इनहांस द स्पेस, घर के अंदर जो चीजें नहीं है, पर्टिकुलर ड्राइंग रूम के अंदर कोई चीजें इस्तेमाल नहीं आ रही है, निकाल दो। क्रिएट सपोर्टिव सिस्टम्स, you can hire a professional organizer. In fact, I had been telling this thing to so many of my friends. मैं कभी भी किसी के घर में जाता हूँ, and whenever I see cupboard in that particular house, I just tell them I am ready to give you free service. मुझे आप 2-3 दिन दे दो, I'll separate all these items and tell you if this is required to be disposed of. Free service, free advice. Working parent, some of you may be working parent. Some tips. Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. Both of you are working, so naturally, if you want to manage the home, it is just a teamwork. Shared responsibilities, detailed responsibilities. Make every second an opportunity. Multitasking, it's very important. When I make a cup of coffee myself, जब स्टोव से मैं पतीला नीचे उतारता हूँ तो पतीला काफी गर्म होता है, बॉइल वाटर। तो I have got 1 or 2 minutes. तो 2-3 मिनट के अंदर मैं क्या करता हूँ कि सिंक के अंदर कोई बर्तन पड़े होते हैं ना, फटाफट में साफ करके रख देता हूँ। Because I am standing there in the kitchen, might as well utilize those 2-3 minutes fruitfully. Multitasking. Whenever you get some spare time, you should be able to do anything. Use your time wisely. समय का इस्तेमाल करो. Plan ahead. जो बड़ी-बड़ी चीजें हैं. Have a system. हर एक चीज की सिस्टम होती है. Have a system. I just give you one example. Morning routine क्या है? जब मेरे पास बहुत सारा समय होता है, कहीं और जाना नहीं होता है, then I take my own time. I go to bathroom. पहले मैं ब्रश करूंगा. Again have some coffee. Then again go inside. Shaving करके मैं बाहर निकलूंगा. Then see some news, read newspaper or do something. Then again go. So these 3 things, morning ritual, it may take almost 2 hours. But if I plan it, I can just finish it in just 15 minutes. I can go inside, brush my teeth, complete my shaving, have bath, and just come out. 15 minutes flat. That's a systematic work. Meal plan and always have reserves. Have simple food. If you want to have full thali, जो मिलती है होटल के अंदर, दाल भात 2 सब्जी, ये બધું तो પછી तो it will take some time. Always keep some reserves so that guest कोई अतिथि आ जाता है उसको आप खिला सकते हैं. Don't be ashamed of using the electronic babysitter. Not for here, that's for different places. How do you feel happier yourself? Make your own bed. अपना काम खुद करो, including the wash your clothes also. Bring every room back to ready. जब भी आप कोई भी रूम छोड़ते हैं जो आपके इंचार्ज के अंदर है, it should be made fully ready. जैसे आपका बेडरूम है, बेड अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए. यदि रजाई है उसको फोल्ड करके जाइए, किताब यदि रखी है उसको फोल्ड करके उसको अलमारी में रख दीजिए. Similarly, किचन छोड़ते हैं, किचन पूरा साफ करके जाइए. It should be in a ready to use system. Display sentimental items around your home. Sentimental, like you have got some award or you have got some presentation and other things. Keep them around. Like I always, put certain trophies and some awards what my grandchildren have earned during their school days. I just keep them here or there on the walls. They feel very happy. If you can't get out of it, get into it. यदि कोई काम खत्म नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो गेट इनटू इट, सबसे पहले उसको खत्म करने की कोशिश करो. बाहर से देखने के, अरे माय गॉड इतना काम करना, ये नहीं। एक काम के अंदर सिर्फ घुस जाओ, बाकी काम के बारे में सोचना ही बंद करो, और जिस काम के अंदर घुसे हैं ना उसको खत्म कर दो, एंड देन टेक अनदर वन। This is very important, last point, before you get up in the morning and before you start your day. आपके सामने, आपके मन के अंदर आज आप क्या क्या काम करेंगे, उसका पूरा खाका आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि ये काम मुझे इतने बजे करना है, ये काम मुझे इतने बजे करना है। Now the whole plan is ready, and accordingly, as per the timetable, you will start working. You will not waste your time. Eat, play, and love, commitment, time together, communication, appreciation. One must appreciate. Chota chota काम. I mean, that's how when children grow up, they keep on appreciating छोटी छोटी चीज। यदि गलती करते तो भी हम बोलते बहुत अच्छा काम किया, चलो let's do something else. छोटा सा बच्चा होता 5-6 साल का, थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग करता, we always say, like my grandchildren, they used to come to me, and मुझे just like a teacher, they used to call me कि दादू आप उसमें marks दो। So sometimes I used to give 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm appreciating. I'm just saying it's not excellent or this or that, but that is what they want, and I just say after giving 9 out of 10, I just say yes, you can do something better. Next time when you do it like this. Spirituality, God is there. God is there. God is looking after us. तो उसके ऊपर विश्वास रखिए, और गॉड के जो वेज एंड मीन्स है, ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड देम। कोपिंग स्किल्स, जिस तरह की हालत आपके सामने आती है उसका मुकाबला कैसे करना है। एक छोटी सी चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, इंक्रीज योर कंफर्ट जोन। कोई भी परिस्थिति में, चाहे विषम भी क्यों न हो, उसके अंदर यदि आप खुश रह के काम कर सकते हैं, खुश रह के जी सकते हैं, that means your coping skills are much more than required. Greeting each other, सुबह सुबह कुछ भी गुड मॉर्निंग बोल सकते हैं, जय श्री कृष्ण बोल सकते हैं। In army generally we say Jai Hind, and this is something very nice. Eat together, talk more than watching TV, plan family holidays, never hide anything, छुपाओ मत, तुरंत बताओ। इवन आपने गलती भी की है तो भी छुपाओ मत, and support each other. Now 6 points, beautiful family culture, how to give out. Change habits. You cannot change your future. That's what our late president, the missile man, the Sant, I call him a Sant. इस संत ने हमें एक चीज बताई है कि you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. तो घर के अंदर फैमिली यदि कल्चर हम बदलना चाहते हैं, तो सबसे पहले the elders have to change their habits. जो हैबिट उनको गलत लग रही है और वही गलत हैबिट यदि बच्चे फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो there is a requirement, very strong requirement, that elders need to change their habits. From I to we. So it is a beautiful journey from me to we. मैं नहीं, मैं सब बाद में आऊंगा. It is we. Whenever I go with my children to temples, I always ask my grandchildren to pray. सबके लिए अच्छा करो. एग्जाम के बाद मैं ही बोलता हूँ कि सब बच्चों को पास कर दो. सब क्योंकि सबके अंदर हम भी आ जाते हैं. At family level, this is very important. It's a family. We, हम सब साथ में हैं. Love, as a हाँ, laws of love, acceptance rather than rejection, स्वीकार करना है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग रादर देन जजमेंट, किसी के ऊपर किसी भी प्रकार का कटाक्ष करना, सोचना और जजमेंट देना, उससे बजाय उसको समझने की कोशिश करना, और पार्टी participation rather than manipulation. You have to participate in that particular act. You have to be the part of it. You have to be the part of solution and not the part of the problem. So this is what is laws of love. Emotional bank account. This you must have heard of it. Bank account हम सब जानते ही है. हम सब लोगों ने accounts खोल के रखा हुआ है. But this is the emotional bank account. जो भी emotions जो है हमारी अपनी જે લાગણીઓ જે છે આપણા બાળકો પ્રત્યે સમાજના મેમ્બર્સ પ્રત્યે દેશ પ્રત્યે આ લાગણીઓની અંદર પોઝિટિવ લાગણીઓની અંદર વધારો કરવો જોઈએ. इमोशनल बैंक अकाउंट बच्चों के साथ यदि आप गुस्सा करते हैं कितने दफा गुस्सा करते हैं और कितने दफा प्यार करते हैं. यदि गुस्सा का पलड़ा ज्यादा होता जाएगा तो वे बच्चे आपके ऊपर श्रद्धा नहीं रखेगा. आपकी जो पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज है बढ़नी चाहिए उनके साथ. और जब जब भी कुछ गुस्सा कर लेते हैं उसकी पिटाई करते कुछ ऐसा करते हो तो सामने से भी देखिए भी सही कि how to look after them emotionally so that they do not keep those hurt feelings for longer duration. How to build emotional bank account? Be kind to anybody, particularly to children, particularly to weak people. Apologizing, माफी मांग लो. Say sorry. Couple of words English में है, बहुत छोटे छोटे words है, but we should try and make use of it. Thank you, शुक्रिया. कहीं भी आप बोल सकते कभी भी. Sorry, माफ करना. That should manners. कोई confusion के अंदर है. Just go and ask, can I help you? क्या मदद कर सकता हूँ मैं आपको? Being loyal to those not present. This is important. We must defend our family members. On their back, nobody should be able to criticize them. Similarly, with friends also. We are loyal to them. If somebody is talking ill about our family members, about our parents or siblings, you must say, no, I'm not ready to hear this. Sorry. Don't make me party to this. This is wrong. We should be blunt sometimes. Making and keeping promises. Firstly, don't give promises, don't make promises. And at all, if you make a promise, maintain it, keep the promise. And forgiving. Small tips. Balancing work and life, home life, particularly the people who are working very hard. Instead of 8 hours, they are putting 12 hours a day. Look after your health. This will see how to look after the health. Discipline. Discipline for everybody. Discipline in talks, discipline in dresses, discipline in expenditure. Setting boundaries. Communication. Quality time with family members. Joint decision. There are certain decisions which you have to take jointly. Like you want to go for a picnic. On coming Sunday, you want to go out with the family members. आप बैठिए सब साथ में. कब जाना है, कौन सी जगह पे जाना है, क्या खाना घर पे बनाएंगे, क्या बाहर से लाएंगे, किस तरह से जाएंगे. All those decisions and give that time, give those powers to the children also. So they develop that decision-making power. Joint decisions. Comforting. You should be comfortable others. Santvana देना किसी को. Be flexible, don't be rigid. Spend quality time with your partner. Now, this is what I want you to understand. Unnat culture, this can be developed at any time. Particularly if you start with the children, it's very good. Culture of hygiene, it is not there. मन की बात में आज यही बात कर रहे थे मोदी जी, हमें बाहर रोड के ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं थूकने की आदत है. समथिंग ब्लडी स्टूपिड. अपने नाखून साफ करना, अच्छी तरह से नहाना, साफ धोए हुए कपड़े पहनना, hygiene, personal hygiene, home hygiene. We can defeat a disease like pandemic like corona just by maintaining personal hygiene. And ये जो lesson है, that should be given from the very beginning. If we haven't learned it at our age, it's high time that we learn that thing. A time has come that we have to learn mask, and therefore I am wearing this. मैंने गमछा लगाया है just to remind me that I am supposed to wear a mask whenever I go out. Second, culture of self-reliance. हमारे कुटुंब के अंदर हर एक आदमी अपना काम करने की क्षमता रखना चाहिए. स्वनिर्भरता. अपने कपड़े जात से धोए, यदि जरूरत है तो खाना पकाए, जरूरत है तो घर साफ करे. स्वनिर्भर. ये लेसन्स पहले से बताना बहुत जरूरी है. You have to involve your children into household work. They must know. इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं है. If mommy is working in the kitchen, a child, maybe he or she should go there, should work with them. बर्तन साफ करने हैं, बर्तन पोंछने हैं, बेड लगाना है. It's a matter of pride that I am self-reliant. I am not dependent on anybody. I will not go hungry. I can stay alone. वो हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. Culture of health. स्वास्थ्य के प्रति सभानता रखनी जरूरी है. Doctor is not going to keep you healthy. Doctor may help you in making that disease जो आया है उसको थोड़ा दूर कर सकता है. But it's you, your habits going to make you healthy. And you are the best doctor for yourself. Doctor doesn't know until and unless you tell the doctor that this is what you are suffering. If you give the history of your disease, then only doctor knows it. That means you are your best doctor. Look after your health. 24 घंटे के अंदर you should be able to devote minimum 1 hour, half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening for some sort of physical exercise. कोरोना के अंदर आजकल हम बोलते हैं कि जो इम्यूनिटी है, जो हमारी है, इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ है, वो बढ़ानी है. तो उसके अंदर योग, आसन, प्राणायाम, ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट विल हेल्प. कल्चर ऑफ ऑबीडियंस. घर के जो नियम है, घर की जो बाउंड्रीज है, उसका सम्मान रखना है. स्कूल कॉलेजेस के अंदर जहां हमारे वर्क प्लेस है वहां, और देश के अंदर जो भी कानून बने हुए कानून का पूरा सम्मान करना बहुत जरूरी है. लॉकडाउन किया है फॉर व्हाट? फॉर आवर सेफ्टी, फॉर द सोशल सेफ्टी दैट दिस लॉकडाउन हैज बीन गिवन आउट बाय द central government. They are not happy, but it is the only option. Why don't you stay at home? Why are you going out? You have been told not to have meetings and get together in a crowd and other things. Obedience, traffic rules. That culture of obedience must start at home, then gradually it must go up to the society and then to the national level. Culture of knowledge. Yeah, just 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Culture of knowledge. Like this particular series is going on is nothing but culture of knowledge. That we are not attending to our offices and other things. We are at home. So let's have these webinars. We'll know something. You must have a number of books at your home. If you want your children also to become knowledgeable, you must have your own personal library. You must subscribe to the newspaper. You must have certain magazines. You should be reading instead of wasting your time on the TV. You should be going out, trekking, cycling, other things. culture of knowledge. If you are knowledgeable, if you love reading, if you have got developed such hobbies, I am 100% certain that your children will also have the same hobbies. But if you don't read, they will not. And then you can't blame them. Culture of patriotism. My dear friends, we remained slaves for almost 1,000 years. After lots of effort, we are free. Nation is free. We have to keep it free. That freedom is very, very important to us. And we can maintain our freedom provided we are nationalistic, we are patriotic, we are able to defend ourselves. We can't sell our country to others. That national feelings that should be given in the children from the very beginning. When I was a child in my drawing room, my father had kept so many photographs of national leaders, Gandhi, Subhash, Shivaji, Pratap. I mean, so we used to talk about them. Nowadays, we don't do all this. If there is no nation, where do we survive, my dear friends? Nation comes first and then our lives. So this 6 cultures specifically, I just said, we must develop at any stage, particularly if you've got small children, you have to start doing something at your level. अरे मेरा सपना है, हजारों सपने टूटकर चकनाचूर होने के बाद भी एक नया सपना देखने के हौसले का नाम जिंदगी है. ये जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं यही सोचता हूँ कि आप भी अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर, अपने कुटुंब के अंदर, जो भी मुकाम के ऊपर है, एक अलग प्रकार का जो डिस्कशन आज हमने किया है, एक अलग प्रकार की परंपरा बनाने की आप शुरुआत करेंगे. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. Man ki shanti. We started with Man ki shanti dena. We are finishing this particular lecture with Man ki shanti. इस तरह की मन की शांति देना के लिए मैं बदलाव नहीं ला सकता हूँ और जो हो रहा है उसको मैं शांति से एक्सेप्ट करूँ. The courage to change the things I can change. जो चीजों में वो बदलाव ला सकता हूँ, मैंने बोला if I certain faulty habits are there, I must change. वो habits को बदलने की मुझे ताकत दे, courage दे, शक्ति दे. And wisdom to know the difference. ये दोनों चीजें हैं कि कौन सी चीजें मैं बदल सकता हूँ और कौन सी चीजें मैं बदल सकता हूँ, दोनों जानने का मुझे तो क्षमता दे. Some wisdom, some knowledge. Thank you, my dear friends. Again, remind you, we are going to discuss, we have got 4 more lectures. Tomorrow is the interpersonal communication, then thereafter health matters, and then the money. These are the 3 important factors, pillars of happiness in the family. And then we are going to discuss certain issues, problems. At all, if you want to give certain feedback, you can give it to Ivala, and then accordingly I will dovetail all these points into my future lectures. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Colonel, it is always a pleasure to have you. What a fantastic session, I would say. The number little bit dropped, and therefore I thought that maybe we may conclude a little early today. But every slide, every sentence that you spoke today, आज जो भी आपने बताया, बहुत ही useful है, और useful है not only for having a happy family life, but beyond that also. So thank you very much. और कल फिर से मिलेंगे आपसे आपको सुनने के लिए. Thank you very much, Colonel sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks everybody. Good night.